shit, I lost my pistol. Oh, fuck that crowd. Hey, is anybody in that house on your right? You got that door? He's looking through that door, the top of that door. All right, we got one in the far back. Hey, your phone's over here on the ground. Got it.
The scales and drive the nails in deeper every time. Dear God, will anyone get out of here alive?
Why the hell are all these trees in the field? I don't think anybody's in there. Nobody's in here. Come on, guys. Get up here. You two. Come up the center and get up here. I said center. Oh, that was close. That made, that perked up my ear. Is there even anybody left on that team?
Oh shit. Accidentally
Did you shoot one of the kids? You dick.
Well,
Oh, Aaron's walking in. Watch out.
That window.
Aaron's in the far back right. Aaron's in the far back right.
Hey, right on you, right on you.
Well, let him get around that corner and blast us. 3 minutes? You said 1 minute like a minute ago. All right, far back center, hyperball. Irrigation tube. not, Tim. Tim, you're gone. You're welcome for shooting the bottom of your foot. I didn't even know your ass was there. Hey, Ed! Oh, you got me! You got me! Somebody, it wasn't you. Good shooting, man. Good shooting. I know! Moving left! Aaron's moving! That's not Aaron. Woo! Alright, Aaron! Oh, come on, I got you through the window! Come on, I got you through the window, you're gone! Oh, it's this guy, he likes to run up. He walks left side. Just bang bang him if he comes around the corner. Just keep looking for this corner. Somebody comes up around.